y'all, my name is Soy, Team Conference Grade 3. Today I'll be doing my PPA for Aling Panlipunan and Filipino. So I'm going to be doing a bring me, but there's a twist. The only things that I'm gonna bring are Philippine items, the ones I got from when I went to the Philippines.
Okay, so Chloe is going to bring 5 things from Philippines that you got during your last vacation. But you have to guess kung saan sila galing and kung anong products. This is for Araling Panlipunan. Okay? So, how long will I give you? Can I give you only 5 minutes for you to get the 5 items?
1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, your timer starts now. Do it. Put it there. Okay. What are those? Can you tell me one by one?
Here is Datu Puti,
What is that? Puti?
like soy sauce. Here is Ginseng Brew.
Hindi siya ginisang brew. This is ginger brew. Or salabat. It's ginger brew.
I did it wrong.
Ludi's ginger brew. Okay, what else do you have?
Honey processed.
This is coffee. Honey processed Arabica beans. Ang tawag sa kanya is Altura coffee. Okay, next. What's next?
The Filipiniana I got from Cultura.
Okay, the Cultura Filipiniana set. Okay, what else? The 5th one? What is the 5th one?
Super 7 Spice Blend.
Okay, now, you have to tell me kung product sila ng anong town. Let's start ngayon with Dato Puti. Can you guess where they are from?
Like
Or
guess?
can you find out? No, I don't think I'll be able to guess. Pero you have to
I will
find
try
out.
to guess.
Okay.
Aklan?
Hindi nang galing sa akin.
Manila?
It's a very famous soy sauce brand. Yes, it is in Manila. Where in Manila kaya? Yeah, that's
Pasig.
correct. No, may address dito. But you are near. Taguig. Yeah, it's very near to Pasig. So, 1 down, 4 to go. So, this is from Taguig.
I think this is from Luzon.
Yes, definitely it's from Luzon kasi we bought this from the airport. Pero you have to look at the back of the packet to see where it's from. Okay, can read through. Pero sometimes what you can buy from the store is also from far away from Luzon. Far from Manila also. Okay, should I help you?
I can't find it.
So at the back of it, it says, it's almost expiring na, May 2026. It says, oh my God, it didn't say where. Imported and distributed by Hearty Flavor. Bakit hindi nakalagay kung saan galing? And it's saying it's an original. May saffron, may fennel, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, cardamom, and ginger. It's also a ginger kind of tea. Pero hindi niya nilagay dito kung saan kaya siya galing. So, I guess we don't know.
The only know is
I
it's
guess
from Luzon.
it's a secret.
It's just in Luzon. Let's move on to the next one.
Okay, sige. We also bought that from the airport.
Yeah.
Sa
I think
pasalubong.
it's also... it's in Davao.
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 Hindi Davao. Davao is way where? Way up?
Luzon?
South. And it also says that, ba't niya binanggit dito yung Mount Apo?
I think it's close.
Ang tawag dito is Mount Apo Altura Coffee. Produced from naturally grown chemical-free Arabica beans grown in the altitude of 1,300 meters and above. The rich volcanic soil of Mount Apo and high elevation, strict selection, and medium dark roasting makes this coffee taste heavenly. And it's from Davao City. Okay, next, what about that ginger brew na may tatak na Ludi's? Can you try to look for which place in the Philippines it
Wait,
is?
I'm gonna guess.
Hmm.
I think it's from Aklan.
Let's see where.
Wait, I'm gonna guess. I have another guess.
Mm.
Luzon.
Okay, let me see.
Is
Let
that
me see
correct?
if you are right.
Do you not know?
Nakalagay lang dito, it's product of the Philippines. Serving since 1971. Tapos nakalagay din dito na siya ay gawa ng Rodson Marketing Corporation. Pero, hindi na nakalagay dito kung saang lugar.
I was saying that
Oh, Pasay! It's in Pasay.
I forgot that Pasay was
Pasay.
even a place.
Pasay City is near the airport.
Okay.
Pasay City, Philippines yung address niya. Okay, now, what about that kultura thing?
Manila.
Manila. Saan ba makikita yung brand na kultura? Maybe we
The
can
malls.
find out sa tag.
You can find it online too.
If may specific place. Kung saan to galing.
I found it in a mall, but I forgot what the mall is called.
Wala nakalagay. Basta nakalagay lang kultura. Okay. Now, for your next challenge this time, this is for Filipino PBA.
The Pandiwa one?
Yes. You have to give me, gusto ko yung mga pandiwa na hindi ko masyadong naririnig, yung hindi ginagawa sa loob ng bahay. Yun yung challenge ko sa'yo. Mag-iisip ikaw ng 5 halimbawa ng pandiwa na hindi pwedeng gawin sa loob ng bahay. Sa labas ng bahay lang ginagawa.
Okay.
Okay. Sige, 5.
Huh?
5. Give me 5.
Okay. Like the ones I do outside.
Yes, but in Tagalog halimbawa.
But like what I not do outside.
Yes, that you will not do inside the house. Yun ang challenge. Kailangan mag-isip ka. At of course, kailangan Filipino siya, Tagalog. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my hand up. Ano yan?
Driving a car.
Oo nga, ano yan sa Tagalog? Hindi mo alam yung Tagalog ng nagdadrive? Ang tawag doon? Nagmama?
Naho.
Neho. Okay, so may 1 ka na. 4 to go. Sige. 4 to go. With the time limit. Ano pa? Nagmamaneho. Tama yon. Ano pa? Sige. Think of an English word and then you will figure out what is the Tagalog. Ano? What you do outside.
Oh.
Ano? Ano yun?
Like
I don't think
paying.
there's a Tagalog word. Paying?
Yeah. Pepe.
In Tagalog, Pag binigay mo yung pera, anong tawag doon?
Bibigyan ng pera.
Blank ka na ba? Blank ka na ba? Blank ka na? Pagkatapos kumain, di ba, sa restaurant?
Really?
Hindi bili. May isa pang word na letter, hindi din nagsistart. Blank ka na ba?
Bayad.
Ayun, nagbayad ka na ba? Sige, so meron ka ng 2, 3 na lang. Sige, ano pa? Ano pang Tagalog? Anong ginagawa ni Mama sa labas? Pagka gamit ko nag... Anong tawag doon?
I know what.
Oh, ano?
Ordering food.
Ano yun sa Tagalog?
So in Tagalog, food is pagkain.
Oh.
But I don't know what ordering is.
Di ba pagka nag-order ka, tumatawag ka, ano, paano mo sabihin yun?
Pwede ba ako makaroon ng pagkain?
Wala kasing Tagalog word doon. Imbis na yon, ano na lang yung tawag sa pagka dumating na yung pagkain? In Tagalog, pag
Kumakain.
kumakain.
But you can also do that even if you're not outside.
Pero pwede ka rin kumain sa labas.
Oh, okay.
Pagka may restaurant, pagka nasa labas ka, kumain sa labas yun.
Okay.
Okay, dalawa na lang.
Biking.
Ay, hindi yun that's English. It's completely English.
Is there
Anong
like,
Tagalog ng bike?
I don't know.
Nag-bi?
Bisikleta.
Tama, nagbibisikleta. So, one na lang. Ano pa yung pinaka gustong-gusto mong gawin sa labas?
Buy one.
English yun. Pag lumalabas tayo, anong tawag doon? Kung saan-saan tayo nagpupunta, anong ginagawa mo?
Aeroplano.
Pag nasa labas tayo, nagmo-mall tayo, anong tawag doon sa term na yun kung saan-saan tayo nagpupunta? Isip ka. Isa na lang. Anong tawag doon pag lumalabas? Kung saan-saan nagpupunta? Go? Anong tawag doon? Yung lumalabas kung saan-saan nagpupunta. Ano?
Gumagala.
Tama. Gumagala. Okay, bye!
Bye.
You got the points! 10 points!